In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the search bar in PowerPoint, which is a handy trick to enhance your presentation crafting experience. Finding information quickly can be crucial when you're immersed in creating dynamic and engaging presentations. So let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. First, we need to get things rolling by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This means launching the application just as you would when starting any of your presentation projects. Once PowerPoint is running smoothly, you'll want to navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation that you're working on, or if you prefer, you can use a blank presentation for this exercise. It's all about getting to a space where you're comfortable making changes. Now, the next thing you need to do is head over to the File tab. You'll find this in the upper left corner of the PowerPoint window. Clicking on File opens up a new menu packed with various options that govern the underlying settings of your application. It's like the control center for all your PowerPoint needs. In this new menu, scroll down to find the Options button and go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial because what we're looking to do lies within the settings that Options provide. By clicking on Options, a dialog box will appear, and this is where we'll make some necessary tweaks. With the dialog box open, direct your attention to the General tab. You'll usually find this as the very first tab in the list, so it should be easy to locate. The General tab contains several settings related to the startup and customization of your PowerPoint application. These settings control various basic aspects of your PowerPoint experience. Now, within the general settings, look for the option that says collapse the Microsoft search box by default. By default, this box might be checked, which is why you don't see the search bar. What you'll want to do here is simply uncheck that box. This action tells PowerPoint to keep the search bar visible at all times, rather than hiding it away when you start using the app. With that box unchecked, the next step is to save these changes, and it couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is click on the OK button located at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Not only does this save your changes, but it also closes the dialog box and returns you to where you left off in your presentation. And just like that, you've enabled the search bar in PowerPoint, making it readily accessible whenever you need to use it. It's a small change, but one that can hugely impact your workflow by making it that much easier to find what you need right when you need it. Thank you for joining me today and being proactive in enhancing your PowerPoint skills. Happy presenting.